What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tekwina, and today we are back with another video. If you're new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we drop the business tea for free, okay? So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. So today, you guys, we are creating a phone case, a sublimation phone case. Y'all, I'm so excited. So this video has to be my #1 requested video, but today, y'all, I'm spilling the tea, okay? I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to create these phone cases right here. These are sublimation phone cases. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, so the first thing you need to sublimate a phone case is a sublimation printer. So if you have not seen my video where I turned this Epson EcoTank printer into a sublimation printer, go ahead and do so. I'm gonna leave the link right above. But yeah, so right now it has sublimation ink in there. This is actually the sublimation ink that I use. This will be linked in the description as well. So once you have your sublimation printer, you need sublimation paper, of course. So this one I got from Amazon as well. It's in the description. And you put that paper in here. Well, your printer might be different, but any EcoTank printer can work, to be honest. But you put that paper in here, and oh, good thing I checked because I have a regular paper in here. So just gonna take that out. But you keep that paper in here. This is how the back looks, but it's gonna print out on the front like that. So you put that paper in here and you're good to go. The next thing you need is, of course, the sublimation case. So these are my tester cases, like I was saying before. I don't like how thick they are, and they have this black kind of outline, so I wouldn't be using these for my customers. But the ones that I'm going to use, I'll definitely show you guys in another video, because there are sublimation cases as well. So I'm gonna grab one of these, and usually I store all my cases in a little box like this. I'll show you guys an inventory haul one of these days. But yeah, I store my cases in little boxes. Oop, in little boxes like this. All right, so the next thing you're going to need is your heat press. You can either use the Cricut Easy Press, or you can use a standard heat press, which is like this one. So the first thing I'm going to do before I do anything else is I'm going to turn on this heat press and let that warm up when I get everything else situated. So for now, we're going to open the phone case just to show you guys how it looks. All right, so I'm gonna open the phone case just to show you guys how it looks. And I got these tester cases from Amazon, but you can also use these. I'm gonna link it in the description, but you can use these for your actual customers. I just personally don't like how these inserts are set up. So if you know me, I actually sell glass phone cases, so I don't use those metal inserts. So I actually ordered a tester glass phone case. I'm gonna link this in the description below. So it comes with that glass phone case, and then of course you can peel this off. It's not sticky or anything. You can peel this off, and then you can peel this sticker off, and then eventually you're just going to put it on the phone case like so, like that. Alright, so now that we have our case ready, y'all, we're gonna put that to the side for now, and then next that what we're gonna be doing is setting up our computer, getting it ready to print our actual design for our phone case. Alright, so right now I'm in Photoshop. You definitely do not need Photoshop. You can use Word, you can use any program that you want, anything that where you can like actually size the actual case to match your phone case. That will be perfect. So once I have my size that I want for the iPhone 11 Pro insert, I am going to go to another sheet where I'm going to put that size image on a regular 8x11 letter printer. Actually, it's actually 8.5 by 11. So if you want to see what size paper your stuff is, you can actually look on the sheet. So here you can see that it's actually 8.5 by 11. So you can always look at the size of the paper. So I'm just gonna print out one. Actually, you can always reuse your paper. So I'm just drag this up a little bit more. So I'm only going to be printing out one. So I'm going to show you guys the settings that I use to print it out. All right, so if you have an Epson printer that you're gonna use, go to epson.com and look for the drivers for that printer and download that, so that way you get all the printer settings and everything. So once you have that downloaded, you can go back to your Photoshop or whatever program you're gonna be using. I'm gonna hit File, Print. All right, so there's just like 3 settings that we're going to change. Number 1, make sure this is the right printer. We're gonna change the paper size. Make sure the paper size is the size that you that your actual paper, sublimation paper, is. Like I showed you guys, mine is 8 by 50 by 11. And then we are going to go to color matching. Make sure that this is color sync, and make sure it's Epson IJ printer. This one is the most common one for sublimation. And then we are going to go to print settings, and we are just going to make sure this is premium presentation paper, and have that selected. You know, that is also the most common one for sublimation as well. But one thing I do notice, like my sublimation case is glass phone case. It's not like the metal insert. I don't know why it make a difference, but for metal inserts, people usually do mirror image, and that works for them. My own, I can show you guys. The first time I did mirror image, like the love was like backwards, so I'm not gonna do mirror image this time. So I'm going to leave that unselected. You can select it and see if that works for you, but it did not work for me, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. All right, so now that I have those 3 things changed, I'm going to actually save this as a preset and put like sublimation case. That way I don't have to do this all over again. So you're gonna press save, and then now just press OK, and now we can actually print. So right now it's going to be printing. Let me open this and make sure it's printing good. Alright, so now we have it all printed. It is not mirrored this time. Like I told you guys, I will not do that. So before we cut this out, I just want to check on our heat press real quick. So this heat press is the settings for tempered glass sublimation cases. It might be a little lower for metal. So we're gonna cut this out right now. If you guys want this like cutter thing, I'm gonna link it in the description as well, but I got it from Amazon too. So now that's cut. What we're going to do now is get the case ready. Y'all, sorry for my ugly fingers. I'm gonna get the case ready. So I'm going to remove this, and like I said, like this is not sticky at all, but the stickiness is when you peel this off, this will be the sticky part. So what you're gonna do is, y'all hear me out. So if you have a metal insert, you're gonna flip it this way. If you're using a tempered glass one, you're not gonna flip it. You're just gonna leave it just like this. So did you catch that? Like metal, you flip it the other way. Tempered glass, you just put it on just the way how it will go on this phone case. Next, you're gonna get your heat resistant tape that look like this. This is also linked in the description. I'm going to tape it here. Make sure I tape it on good on the phone case. Put one on the side and then one on the other side. All right, you guys, so now that we have it all taped up, we are going to use this paper. Make sure you have gloves or something if you're going to use this, but we're gonna use this paper. I forgot what it's called, but it's to just protect what you're about to sublimate. So I'm gonna put this in. Then I'm gonna take the phone case and I'm gonna flip it over like that, just like that. And then I'm going to grab another one. These, I think they're called parchment papers or something. I don't know, but it's gonna be linked in my description, y'all. And then I'm gonna grab another one and put it on here like this. And then this is extremely hot, y'all, so y'all be careful. And I'm gonna turn it back over. And then we have it set to 356 and then 150 seconds. I'm gonna press it down. And then I'm going to press start. Yep, just press this little arrow here and then it counts down for you, and then once it beep, you know like your stuff is finished. Lift up the handle and press this to stop the beeping, and then we're gonna see how it looks. So we're gonna move this away very carefully because this is hot, y'all. And then move our sheet, and then I'm gonna turn this off because I wouldn't be making any more cases today, so I'm gonna turn that off. And then this is how it came out, y'all. It looking a little cute now. Let me move it so you guys can see that shine, baby. Take this off carefully. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. I'm just joking. Take this off, take this tape off, and take this off. All right, so this is how it looks now. And if you guys did not see my video where I create this phone case design for Valentine's Day, make sure you check it out. I'm gonna link it right above here. But watch it after you watch this video though, okay? Period. So I'm about to take this sticky off down. Pull it off like this. And press this on there like that, and look at that, y'all. Look how cute that is. That is so cute. So this is like the third case I made. This was the second case I made. So the difference between these two, now, the love is not backwards anymore because I didn't do that mirror image anymore. But yeah. Alright, you guys, that is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, boo. Comment below and let me know how easy that was. Like, that literally was so easy and it looked so good. It looked great, you guys. Make sure to follow your girl on Instagram at TechWithNat, and make sure to tag me in y'all pictures of you making your own phone case and such. Okay, boo. But I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.